The logistics industry is constantly looking for ways to deliver great customer experience. Expectations are high for logistics organizations everywhere, with demand for next and even same-day delivery rapidly rising. And to meet this demand, some online retailers use their own local fleets. The cost of labor and parts, along with difficulties in driver recruitment and staff turnover, remain constant challenges. And with a lack of visibility into the condition and status of fleet and cargo, operational inefficiencies and spoilage are real risks. That's where Oracle's innovative digital logistics solution steps in. A breakthrough in cargo, fleet, and data management, Digital Logistics leverages Oracle's expertise in transformational technologies to generate insights that simplify that vital last mile of the supply chain. Combining industrial Internet of Things and big data analytics, Digital Logistics increases the safety of cargo, offering real-time visibility of the location and condition of vehicles and the goods they transport. It reduces operational disruption and cost through predictive analytics and equipment performance alerts. And it heightens customer satisfaction with accurate ETA and proactive cargo condition notifications. Let's look at how Oracle's digital logistics solution is transforming the industry today. John works at Food Pantry, a chain of supermarkets. He's shipping frozen food out to food pantry stores. From the dashboard, he can see that his shipment is in progress and all deliveries are on the way to their final destinations. Food Pantry uses Fast Express as its logistics partner. While checking the progress of shipments, John is alerted to a delay in a delivery to a store. At the same time, Andy at Fast Express is also alerted to the delayed shipment. He can monitor his entire fleet using Oracle Internet of Things Fleet Monitoring Cloud and Oracle Internet of Things Asset Monitoring Cloud. He opens the Incidents tab to find out more about the issue. Predictive Analytics detected an imminent failure in the refrigeration unit. But thanks to integration with Logic from Oracle Transportation Management Cloud, the truck was automatically rerouted to the nearest service station for repairs, avoiding expensive cargo spoilage. Now, with the refrigeration trailer back in working order, the truck can carry on to its destination. The loading bay operative at Food Pantry is kept up to date with the status of the delivery via a chatbot. They'll be alerted when it's 30 miles from the store, so they can get their dock ready to unload their shipment. Along with tracking and incident flagging capabilities, Digital Logistics brings security benefits too. Sophisticated features such as time-stamped geolocation allow logistics managers to trace where their trucks and trailers are at any given time. And with geofencing, logistics managers are able to keep tabs on power units and trailers. They can see if a trailer has breached its distance from a power unit, helping protect their vehicles and the valuable goods on board. If a breach is identified, logistics managers are alerted to contact drivers to find out what's happening. Digital Logistics from Oracle is an agile, scalable solution that enables logistics companies to manage vehicles, schedule services, and get real-time updates on their fleet and cargo.